Morning everyone. This will be a quick video aiming to help you identify the modal verbs in a sentence and gain an understanding of how they work. This video will be part of a series of short videos looking at the different types of verb. I'll put a link in the description to the other videos, as well as a link to the slides which you can download for free if you want them. I'd suggest watching the video that explains what verbs are first if you haven't already, and then coming back to this one. There are lots of different types of verbs, so many that I haven't listed them all here. But today we're just going to focus on one, modal auxiliary verbs. So today's verb is called a modal verb. Modal verbs are sometimes called modal auxiliary verbs, and they show things such as possibility in I could win the lottery, ability in I can't ride a motorbike, permission, you can go out with your friends, or obligation, you should look after your gran. These are a limited set of words. There are only a handful of them. You got could, would and should, may, might, must, shall and will, and then all of their negative forms too, such as couldn't, wouldn't, can't, shan't, etc. Top tip for you, when interpreting or analysing a text, you should be using modal verbs throughout your essay. Because modal verbs express possibility, you're demonstrating higher level thinking skills by showing that you can interpret a quotation in multiple ways. For example, this metaphor could have been used by the writer to suggest, but it may also have been used to express her feelings of. Pause the video and see how many modal verbs you can pick out from the box on the right. And the answers are colour-coded here. You can mark this one yourself. A key thing to note with verbs is that the type of verb can change depending on the context of the sentence that it's in. And if you want to challenge yourself, try and identify the modal verbs in this extract from The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. And that is modal verbs in a nutshell. Try adding modal verbs to your revision cards and add them into your next analysis to boost your marks. Thanks for watching and happy revising.